Welcome, today I am with GoPro Hero 10 Black and I will show you how you can charge this device, how you can find USB-C port. So as you can see, we have to turn our GoPro like that and we have to focus on this part. We have to open it like that, and next we'll find USB-C port in this place. So we have to grab our USB-C cable, plug it here, then the second part of the cable plug to our charger and put it to the electricity, and basically that's how we can charge your GoPro Hero 10 Black. So as you can see, it's not complicated. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.